Hey buddy! Are you left-handed person? Or do you have someone special? Is your friend left-handed? So you will definitely like this video because today we are talking about some amazing things about lefties. So stay with us till the end of this video and remember to subscribe to watch interesting videos like this. On average, 12% of the world's population is left-handed, 87% is right-handed, and 1% is ambidextrous, with the Netherlands having the largest number of left-handed people in the world. Also, Japan and China are the countries with the least number of left-handed people in the world. Left-handedness or right-handedness at birth is mainly influenced by genetic factors, and males are more left-handed than females. Males have a 12% chance of being left-handed, while females have a 10% chance of being left-handed. Indeed, looking at the world's information, we are convinced that leftists are a special group. Left-handed people are independent thinkers and highly competitive people. They have better self-control than right-handed people. Research shows that left-handed people are better able to control negative thoughts like anxiety and anger than their right-handed peers. Left-handed people have exceptional memories and are good at thinking outside the box. They are good at thinking things through and making important decisions based on subtleties. Also, they show more ability for artistic activities and language use. Studies have found that lefties are better drivers. Left-handed people are much less likely to have accidents than right-handed people. And a survey conducted by driving schools has revealed that they learn to drive quickly and successfully. A group of researchers conducted a study on the ability of left-handed people to roll their tongues. Compared to right-handed people, they found that a significant proportion of left-handed people had problems with tongue rolling. 74.8% of right-handed people had the ability to roll their tongue, while only 62.4% of left-handed people had this ability. Studies have shown that left-handers can outperform right-handers in complex or fast-paced tasks, making them faster and smarter opponents in activities like video games. Left-handed people should learn to control their hands well from an early age because the products that are widely used in society are mainly manufactured by right-handed people. For this reason, there is better communication between the two hemispheres of their brain. Therefore, they are able to multitask better than others. Because left-handed people have a unique brain organization, they are able to use both hemispheres of the brain to construct more verbal information. For this reason, they have a higher level of intelligence than right-handed people. Because both hemispheres of the brain are better used in right-handed people, they can think faster, have better communication between the brain and body, and better control the other hand, so they excel in sports that require quick reactions. In sports like boxing, baseball, cricket and tennis, left-handers are able to show more skills and gain more advantages. Also, 40% of the top tennis players are left-handed. Because of the difference in the left-handed person's brain, we find high intellectuals, talented artists, sportsmen and also powerful people who have made special changes in society. Barack Obama, Leonardo da Vinci, Sachin Tendulkar, Bill Gates, Angelina Jolie, Tom Cruise, Albert Einstein, Charlie Chaplin, Sir Isaac Newton, Eminem, Nikola Tesla, Justin Bieber are some examples of famous left-handed people in the world. Did you know that August 13th is International Left-Handers Day? International Left-Handers Day was launched in 1992 by the United Kingdom's Left-Handers Association. There is no doubt that a left-handed person has to face many challenges in their daily life that a right-handed person would never understand. However, they are better able to adapt to difficult situations than right-handed people and have proven to be capable of great things. Also, according to palm reading related to astrology, left-handed people are lucky people. So if you are a leftist watching this video, definitely subscribe to us.